This video, let's go over how to draw covalent and ionic compounds. This usually isn't a very complicated concept, but it does still mess students up, including me. Okay, so let's take H2O. So first we're going to put oxygen in the middle because it has the highest bonding capacity, and then we're going to put the hydrogen on either side. And then we're going to draw the valence electrons around each atom. So into that, oxygen has 6 valence electrons because it's in group number 16, and we're going to take the last digit. And then hydrogen has 1 valence electron on each atom. Okay, our next step is to draw a straight line between to indicate the shared electrons. So hydrogen is going to share 1 electron with oxygen, and same on this side. That means that oxygen now has a stable octet because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. And this hydrogen is also going to be stable because it has 1, 2 electrons, one of which it is sharing with oxygen, and the same thing for this hydrogen here. Okay, the next thing we need to do is show the shape. Well, here H2O is actually bent because we know that electrons are negatively charged. So electrons are repulsed by other electrons, but the degree of repulsion is different. So, and lone pairs, which are these ones over here, have a greater repulsion than bonding electrons. So the two lone pairs on oxygen, they want to be as far away as possible from each other, and as a result, this is the shape that the molecule takes. Okay, and this is our last step to show everything. Here we're going to show the partial charges with the delta plus and delta plus and the delta minus, and we know that this one should have the partial negative charge. Sorry, not delta, I meant the partial charges, sigma. So we know that this one is going to be have the partial negative charge because it has a higher electronegativity, whereas these ones are going to be partially positively charged that's because most of the electrons are being shared are more attracted to the oxygen atom. And as that is, we also draw the arrows, the vectors, to show in which direction the electrons are being pulled. And that's just an introduction on or just a video going over how to draw everything with the vectors.